You are going to love the 2008 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.